How to get Blooket hacks. Forget hacks. Here's a legit strategy to win more in Blooket while actually learning. So each mode has unique rules. Tower defense rewards strategy, gold quest is about risk taking, and crypto hack is teamwork driven. Learn the mechanics before playing. Most Blooket games reward quick, correct answers. Practice answering fast without sacrificing accuracy. Speed plus precision wins. Create or join study sets that match your learning goals. Repetition builds mastery, and familiar sets give you an edge in competitive modes. In team modes like Battle Royale, coordinate with teammates. Sharing strategies boosts your chances of winning. If you're hosting, use homework mode. It lets students practice at your own pace, building skills outside the classroom. Hacks wristbands and don't help you learn. Legit strategies, knowing modes, practicing speed, and using study sets make you a consistent winner.